So if you want to get the maximum possible discount on Pictory, then this video is for you. As you can see that after applying coupon code, you can see that I was able to get $93.6 discount, and I'm exactly going to show you that how you can get this discount. So first of all, let's say you want to create the Pictory account. Just click the link in the description box and you will land on this page. Just click on get started for free, then you will automatically land on this page. And if you don't have already an account on Pictory, then you can just sign up with Google, or you can fill out the form over here and then click on continue. Once you do this, you will land on this page. And here on this page you can see that there are two options: either you want to go on a monthly plan or you want to go with yearly plan. So let's say I want to go with an yearly plan, and here we have three options: either I want to go with the starter, professional, or teams. So if you are not creating that much videos, I would suggest you go with this plan. But let's say you are creating up to 60 videos a month, then you need to go with this plan. So let's say I want to go with the professional plan. Just click on buy now, and over here I need to enter the promo code that I'm going to show you, that you can use to get the maximum possible discount that Pictory is offering at the moment. And that coupon code is Umair39. Just enter it and click apply. And as you can see that the before price was $468, and now it's $374 per year. So you got a discount of $93. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much.